Good morning students. Today I am going to take a university question for a subject analytical geometry. The year is 2017. First question, define directional cosines. What do you mean by directional cosines? The directional cosines are made by the angle to the coordinate axis, that is alpha, beta, gamma are made by the angles of the straight line. We can startly write as cos alpha equal to L, cos beta equal to M, cos gamma equal to N. Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to 1. That is cos alpha equal to L means that is L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. Define directional ratios. If A, B, C are any three numbers such that L by A plus M by B plus N by C are the directional ratios. Find the equation of the plane parallel to 2x minus 3y plus 5z plus 3 equal to 0 and passing through the point 2, 3, 1. The equation of the plane parallel to 2x plus 3y plus 5z plus d equal to 0. Only the distance will vary. And the equation of the point passing through the point means we have to substitute the point, that is 2 into x. What is x? X equal to 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 5 into 1 plus d equal to 0. We get d equal to 0. So the equation of the plane is 2x minus 3y plus 5z. The next question, if P is the point 1, 2, 3, find the equation of the plane through the point P and right angle to OP, where O is origin. The equation of the plane passing through the x, y, z, that is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1. Equation of the plane passing through the point 1, 2, 3 means we have to substitute for x1, y1 and z1. The normal directional ratios are 1 minus 0, 0 minus 0 and then 3 minus 0. We get 1, 2, 3. We have to substitute in the equation 1 into x minus 1 plus 2 into y minus 2 plus 3 into y minus 3. We get the plane x plus y plus 3z minus 14 equal to 0. The angle between the plane 6x minus 3y minus 2z 2x plus 7 equal to x plus 2y plus 2z plus 9 equal to 0. For the angle between the planes means we have to take cos theta formula, that is A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 divided by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square is equal to into root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. We have to substitute for A1 and A2, that is 6 into 1 minus 3 into 2 plus minus 2 into 2, then root of 6 square plus 3 square plus minus 2 square and 1 square plus 2 square plus after simplifying we get theta equal to cos inverse of minus 4 by 21. State the passes x plus 2y plus 3z plus 6 equal to 0 and x minus 2y plus z equal to 0 are perpendicular. If the two planes are perpendicular means then the directional cosines, that is A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 0. If you substitute means if you get equal to 0 then that given planes are perpendicular. Find the equation of the plane passing through the point 3, 1 and normal to the line the points 3, 4, 1 and 2, minus 1, 5. The equation of the plane passing through the point, first you take the point 3, minus 3, 1. Substitute in the formula, that is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal to 0. The directional ratios are x minus x2, y minus y2, z minus z2. That is we get 1, 5, minus 6. If you then substitute in the equation 1, we get x minus 3 plus 5, y plus 3 plus 6 into x minus z minus 1 equal to 0. We get the answer. The foot of the perpendicular from the origin to the plane is 12 minus 4, 3. Find the equation and directional ratios of the normal plane. The equation of the plane a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1. The equation of the plane passing through the point 12, minus 4, minus 3. We have to substitute in the equation, so we get the point 12, minus 4, 3. The line joining any 2 points, p of x, y, z and q of x2, y2, z2 such that the distance formula we get x square minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2, z1 whole square. The directional ratios x minus x2, y1 minus y2, z1 minus z2. Midpoint means we have to add starting point and ending point divided by 2, like that. Find the angle between the planes 2x minus y plus z equal to 6, x plus y plus 2z equal to 3. We have to take a formula, that is cos theta formula equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 divided by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root of a2 square plus b2 plus square plus c2 square. We get cos theta equal to 1 by 2, that is theta equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2, that is theta equal to 60 degree. Now after complete the 2 marks, we have to now I am going to take 5 marks. Number 13th question. The foot of the perpendicular from origin to the plane is 6, minus 4, minus 3. Find the equation. The directional ratios are normal to the plane. We know that the equation of the plane, that is a into x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal to 0. The equation of the plane passing through the point 12, minus 4, 3. Then the normal directional ratios are 12 minus 0, minus 4, 0, minus 3, 0. That is 12, minus 4, 3. The equation of the plane we get 12x minus 4y minus 3z minus 169. Find the equation of the plane passing through the point 1, 3, 1 and 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 1. The equation of the plane passing through the point, already we know the formula, that is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1. They gave a point, that is the equation of the line passing through the point 1, 3, 1. A into x minus 1 plus b into y minus 3 plus c into z minus 1 equal to 0. Then it passes through again a point 1, minus 1, 1, 1, minus 1. We have to substitute for the x and y and z. We get an equation, that is 0 minus 2b minus 2c equal to 0. Again equation 1 passing through the point 1, 1, minus 1. We get minus 2a minus 2b equal to 0. From 2 and 3 we get a equal to minus 1, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to minus 4. We have to substitute in the equation, that is minus x plus 1, y minus 3 and z minus z plus 1 equal to 0. Find the equation of the plane passing through the points 9, 3, 6 and 2, 2, 1 and perpendicular to the plane. The equation of the plane passing through 9, 3, 6 means we have to take the formula, that is a into x1, x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 and c into z minus z1. We have to substitute the point for x1, y1 and z1, x1 and y1 and z1 and 1 passing through the point equal to, again we get a equal to 1, b equal to 8 and c equal to 8. Show that the parallel plane parallel to the plane x 2y plus 2z equal to 0 through a point 1, 1, passes through the point 3, 1, 0. Equation of the plane parallel to x plus 2y plus 2z minus 1 equal to 0. Then d equal to 0 means we have to substitute the point, we get d equal to 5 and then If you substitute for d value in the equation 1, we get the answer, that is 0 equal to 0. Find the equation of the plane formed by the lines A, B, and where A is minus 1, 0, 2. The degree of A, B and AC are 4, 1, 3 and 1, 7, 3. The equation of the plane passing through the point minus 1, 0, 2. That is, we substitute for x1, y1 and z1. Then the directional ratios are 4, 1, 3 means 4a, b plus 3c equal to 0. Then we get a value equal to 18, b value equal to 9, c value equal to minus 3. If we substitute in the equation of the plane, we get an answer, that is 2x plus y plus 3z plus 8 equal to 0. Now 10 marks. Find the equation of the plane intercept form. Show that the intercept plane is x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to pi. The general equation of the plane ax plus by plus cz equal to 0. Let the equation of the plane makes an intercept a, b, c on x-axis, y, z-axis respectively. If you substitute this on x-axis means we have to substitute for y and z 0, we get capital A equal to minus d by a. For y-axis means we have to substitute x equal to 0 and z equal to 0, we get b equal to minus b by d by b and c equal to minus. If we substitute in the equation, we get minus x by a minus y by b minus z by c plus 1 equal to 0. That is, x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. Find the equation of the plane containing the planes of intersection of planes x plus y plus z minus x equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 0 passing through the point 1, 1. If two planes are given means we have to substitute first plane plus lambda into second plane, that is, first plane is x plus y plus z minus 6 plus lambda into second plane, that is 2x plus 3y plus 4z plus 2. If we solve, that is x plus 1 plus 2 lambda plus y into 1 plus 3 lambda plus z into 1 plus 4 lambda minus 6 plus 5 lambda equal to 0. And passing through the points means 1, 1, we have to substitute for x, y and z. We get an answer for lambda, that is lambda equal to 3 by 14. 3 by 14. Substitute in the equation for lambda value, we get an equation, that is 20x plus 23y plus 23/6z minus 69 equal to 0. Next question. The plane x plus 4y minus 5z plus 25 equal to 0 is rotated a right angle above and is intersecting with the plane 3x plus 2y plus z plus 1 equal to 0. The equation of the plane passing through the intersection of the plane means we have to write the first plane plus lambda into second plane. The same procedure already we write in the previous problem, the same procedure. And rotated means we get for a value lambda equal to 7 means we have to substitute in the equation 1, that is lambda equal to 7 means we have to get an answer, that is 20x plus 10y plus 12z plus 5 equal to 0. Okay students, thank you.